The strength of swimming is in its participation by children and adults of all ages. Meet Central was designed by 2012 gold medalist Charlie Houchin to make swim meets more fun and efficient for the millions of volunteers, parents, and swimmers who enjoy the sport. Good news, swim meets run the same, just better, in less time, with fewer volunteers, and with much less complexity. Within each training session, at the end of each instruction, click Next to proceed. At any point, click Back to repeat a slide. At the end of the training, click Complete to return to the list of training modules. We are first going to walk you through how the starter sets up the swim meet. In order to set up the swim meet, an internet connection is required. This connection can be made through Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you do not have internet connection, or if you have bad cell service at the pool, make sure you complete the following steps where internet is accessible. Tap Starter on the Select Your Role screen. This will take you to the Starter's instruction page. This page will have basic instructions for this role and will serve as a friendly reminder for the volunteers. Tap Join Swim Meet. What you are now looking at is the starter login page. Each club will have a unique club ID that is issued to you once you purchase Meet Central. Each swim meet has a unique starter key that is created through the coach's portal. For the purpose of this training, our club ID will be 1 and our starter key will be Fun. Once the club ID and starter key are populated, tap Login. Once you have logged in, swipe up from the bottom of the phone to access the iPhone's control center. Turn on airplane mode and Wi-Fi. Connect to the Meet Central Wi-Fi. To do this, simply locate and tap Settings, then Wi-Fi. Please make sure to forget any other networks in close proximity. To do this, tap the I by the network and tap Forget this network. Next, select the Meet Central network. The password is Hydro. Locate and tap the Meet Central application. You are now looking at the list of your scheduled swim meets. Tap the appropriate meet, and for this training, we will use Sample Meet. This is the Meet Setup screen. You will see how simple it is to set up your swim meet by entering 4 pieces of information. First, toggle the appropriate number of lanes of the pool for the swim meet. Second, toggle the total amount of timers used for the swim meet. Third, toggle the total amount of stroke and turn judges. And fourth, select your pool configuration. As you can see, for this training, we will be using 2 lanes, 2 timers, and 1 stroke and turn judge. Our pool will be configured to short course yards. Next, tap Check-in for Meet ID. You are now looking at the screen that initiates the huddle. This concludes the Starter Swim Meet Setup training. Please watch the Huddle training for the next steps. Congratulations! You are now on your way to running a more efficient swim meet in less time, with fewer volunteers, and much less complexity. Click Complete to return to the list of training modules.